Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So I've had this in my hands for a few days already. I got this from Angelica and she is, oh my gosh, Crafty Treats 2017 here on YouTube. I hope I got it right. Oh my goodness, you guys should know me by now. Look at her little stamp. How cute. I love this stamp. Oh my gosh, it is the cutest. Anyways, so let me go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting this, so I'm like pretty excited, and I had not had a chance to open it, and I decided since I just did my Michael's haul, might as well just do the open it up and see what I got. Oh, see what she sent me. Oh, she sent me some Valentine mail. Oh, how sweet. And look at these bags. I just saw these at Michael's and I thought they were so adorable. I wanted to get me some, but I held myself back. You guys. So let me see her card. Oh, how cute. I love. Can you guys see? Oh my gosh, she embossed it. And then she did a die cut right here, and then she went ahead and it looks like she used some stickles, and oh, that's cute. So this die actually is like this. You could actually, let me see if I could get my nails in here. There you go. And let me see if I could get this one in here and this one. How cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. So there you go. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. So let me see. Oh, you are so, okay, it's Crafter's Treat 27, Angelica. I think I said it, I kind of said it Craft Treats, but it's Crafter's Treats. You guys, it takes me a while. Might have, known your, seen your videos, your channels and everything, but I get to know you guys by name, and the channel name kind of like, that's like second hand to me, like yeah. So let's see what she sent me. Oh, how sweet. So she sent me this for being a co-host with Tree and doing the loaded envelope. You didn't have to send us anything, Angelica. Oh, we're so happy to do what we do, and it's a way to get to know other creators and swap with other creators, and just share your projects with each other. Oh, this is so cute. This is like, okay, you guys. So this is like a little post, like a post box, like the fancy kind of looking, the ones that are, outside of your house. With the little, oh, how cute. And then it has this little cute bow. Oh, and it's a little tag. I love it. And I like the ribbon she used it. And then, what did you use here? She looks like she used, what is that bling? That's cute. Oh my goodness. So I love her little mailbox. How cute. And then she did this one, and this one's a cute envelope with some hearts. How creative. And I wonder, do you have a die for this one? Oh my goodness. Rich at heart. Oh, how cute. I love these. And then she sent me some pom-poms. Oh, and I think she made these. These feel like she made them. Oh, I like how they feel. Oh, thank you. And then she sent some lollipops. Oh, I like these. Oh my goodness. And then does this mean I have to share? You know why I say that? Because it's 2 and I have 2 boys. These are my favorite. Okay, so anyways, I have, for certain seasons, I have certain type of candies that I love. Halloween is the mini Snickers. For usually Valentine's, I like these. These are my favorite. Usually Reese's Pieces is my all-time favorite. And it's just, I don't know if any of you guys have that, favorite candies certain time of the year. So yeah, that's me. And that's so cute. Thank you so much, Angelica. My kids will enjoy some. Yes, I have to share, and I would love to share these with them because I think they've had them before, but it's fun to see their reactions. So thank you so much, Angelica, and I can't wait to do another co-host with Tree from Craft On. We're thinking of possibly doing a Easter one or spring, so watch out for that, and we'll see what happens. Anyways, thank you again, everybody, for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now. And then I'll link Angelica's channel down under the description. Don't forget to go over, check her out, show her some love and support, you guys. We all gotta support and love each other. Thank you again. Bye for now.